well. As you know, we are teaming up with United Way of Southwest Alabama for an important campaign kickoff. I've got the CEO here, Ms. Jill Chenoweth, to discuss more about why A, this is important, and B, the services that people are going to get.
Thank you, Lenny, so much for hosting today. We appreciate that. Why it's important. Today is an important day because we're doing our annual kickoff, and it's the community's campaign. So we're raising funds to give to 46 partner agencies in Choctaw, Clark, Mobile, and Washington counties. And it funds 96 programs plus 12 in our own house. So these dollars really go out and help our friends, neighbors, and family members in their times of need.
And there's a huge need right now. We've done a lot of stories on FOXO News talking about unemployment numbers. With that can come loss of health care. And health care is one of the things that your partner agencies provide.
That's correct. Our partner agencies focus on education, health, financial stability, and then essentials. And earlier today, y'all had Sean of the South on. He was one of our guests, and he was talking about depression. And supposedly right now, according to the census, 1 in 3 Americans is depressed right now. And so they can go seek help at several of our partner agencies by talking with mentors or trained licensed counselors. And so all of those things are important because no one should have to suffer in silence, and especially alone at this time.
And I think a lot of people, they suffer in silence because they just don't know about the resources that are available for them. But helping with depression, dental, child advocacy services.
And diabetes is such a huge disease in Mobile. We love our sugar in Mobile. And so diabetes is very dangerous here. So people can go get their medicines at Osnan Charitable Pharmacy for reduced or no cost at all. They can go to Franklin Clinic. They can go to, I'm drawing a blank, I'm sorry, but they can go to several other of our partner agencies to receive assistance for their health care. And I did want to report that we have raised $12,455 thus far today, which is excellent. So thank you to everyone who has donated. We're trying to reach $25,000 today for a kickoff. So if you haven't donated, please consider donating. You can go to our website, or there's a text number, and Channel 10 has been posting those numbers all day. All day.
We did a Facebook Live just earlier today where we mentioned how you can text, how you can go online, how you can make a phone call to make those donations, because while it comes at no cost to the people getting the services, it does take dollars to make it happen.
It does take money, and we discussed this earlier, no money, no mission. That's what the nuns used to say at St. Mary's Home, no money, no mission, and it's true. We have to raise funds because this isn't a volunteer world anymore. People don't stay at home like my mother did when I was being reared. Women work, and fathers work too, and so paid staff have to do these things. And it's very important work that they do, and they should be compensated for the work that they do, but we do need money to do this. And so we rely on the community to help us do this.
And that's where you guys come in. You are the community. Chances are maybe you have needed help at one point, maybe you knew someone who did, and you were able to benefit from the services provided by United Way of Southwest Alabama. Listen, we are not done yet with this kickoff. We are going to be speaking with several members from United Way throughout the day, just encouraging people to give what they can.
Exactly, and our campaign chair is Brent Barkin, and he is president and CEO of Shoe Station, and they're the host for this event today. So we're so grateful to all of our sponsors, and especially Shoe Station for being the main sponsor for today, but for all of our sponsors throughout the campaign. Because without our sponsors and donors, we couldn't do this, and neither could our 46 partner agencies. So thank you so much, and thank you to the community for their constant support for 96 years.
There you go. Thank you, Jill. And thank you for joining us for this Facebook Live. As I mentioned, we're going to have continued coverage throughout all of our newscasts. That'll be starting in a few minutes here. Let me check here. In 8 minutes on Fox 10 News at 4. So we will see you then. Thank you, Jill, for stopping by.
Thank you.